Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. I want to show you an all too common problem and what we do with it. So this house, we're going to be replacing the windows actually in the front with new construction windows. And one of the things that triggers the need for a new construction window is when you have rotted out window frames. Like, look at this here, the sill is all rotted out, water's probably gotten down into the frame. It looks like stucco patching has been done here before, so there's been an ongoing water problem, and you pretty much can't go ahead and just stick in a new window into this rotted out frame. What really needs to be done is put in a new construction window. And the difference between a retrofit window and a new construction window is a retrofit window sits inside the existing frame, and that's fine in most cases where the frame is good and there's no leaks. But once you have a failed frame, it's a waste of money to put in a retrofit window. It's going to continue to leak. You need to rip out the whole thing, put in what's called the new construction window, break open the stucco around here, and then you end up with a brand new looking window and completely waterproof, and you're all set. So we're going to go ahead and replace 1, 2, 3 windows, new construction windows, break it open, and get it all taken care of. So wanted to show you what we do. This is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another dry rot structural repair job, window, stucco work, and we'll take care of the whole thing. Give us a call. You can see us at bayareacontractor.com is the website, and it's Paul Gordon, Golden Gate Enterprises. Thank you.